Tabletops introduce powerful ways to interact with computers. Yet, most tabletops do not distinguish between users, different handparts, or postures touching the surface. We created the TOUCHID Toolkit to allow the rapid exploration of Handpart-Aware techniques. We use fiduciary tags attached to a glove to differentiate hands, handparts, and users. A simple one-time calibration allows the registration of fingertips, palm and wrist, knuckles, the back of the hand, and the hand's side. The posture configurator allows training new postures. It considers the geometric relationship between handparts and allows setting a tolerance threshold for angles and distances between them. Trained postures are added to a repository and can then be recognized by the toolkit. The toolkit also allows simple gestures to be created and recognized. Furthermore, these gestures can be associated to specific handparts. By using our toolkit, we explored a set of interaction techniques in a very short amount of time. First, we introduced single-handed techniques. Users can assign different tools to each finger. Placing the knuckle shows a preview of the current tool. Next, we identify chords of handparts touching the surface. Colors assigned to different fingers on the left hand allow color mixing for the right hand tool. We then explored single-hand postures. Users can browse their personal documents by placing down a fist. However, only the owner can drag these files onto the surface. Using the back of the hand reveals assigned tools. Spreading the hand allows fanning out content of a pile. We can also perform a grabbing action that takes all documents in a certain range, which can then be dropped back onto the surface. Finally, we explored two-handed interactions. Placing the palm allows precise manipulations of an object. Each finger determines the type of transformation applied. These fingers can also be corded. Hands are used to manipulate the entire canvas, whereas individual fingers manipulate specific objects. Selected objects can be aligned in a linear fashion using two sides of the hand, or in a circle if using a fist together with the side of the other hand. Using an index finger moves a single item. The middle finger copies it. The index knuckle moves all items, while the middle knuckle copies the entire pile. An L shape with the index finger selects items in a frame. An L shape with the ring finger cuts items. We use an L shape with the middle finger to copy the content and store it on the finger performing a selection. These contents can then be pasted using an L shape with the pinky. Overall, we believe that distinguishing handparts touching the surface can lead to novel and expressive tabletop interactions. The TOUCHID Toolkit allows rapidly exploring these techniques.